Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best packing paper is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked supplies when it comes to moving or shipping items, offering a crucial layer of protection against bumps, scratches, and breakage during transit. This versatile material acts as a buffer, safeguarding everything from delicate glassware and fragile electronics to books and knickknacks, ensuring they arrive at their destination in the same condition they left. Without adequate packing paper, your precious belongings are left vulnerable to the rigors of transportation, potentially leading to costly replacements and significant disappointment. Number 5. Bryco Goods Packing Paper Sheets. Ensure the utmost protection for your glassware and other valuables during relocation. This premium moving paper is designed for dish pack paper and other fragile items. Say goodbye to moving stress and hello to convenience. With our 480 sheets of versatile newsprint paper, packing becomes a breeze. Made in the USA, we provide superior quality packaging paper. Our newsprint paper is a key component of your moving supplies, ensuring your belongings experience top-notch care. Each sheet measures 27 by 17 inches. This light packing paper wraps your prized possessions with precision, making it an essential part of your moving packing material. Prevent shattered glassware and cracked valuables with our moving packing paper sheets. We make moving a breeze, ensuring a smooth and easy experience. What we like? This option offers a generous quantity of 480 sheets, ensuring you have plenty for even the biggest moves. Its premium quality and US manufacturing provide peace of mind. If you are packing a large household or have many fragile items, this is the perfect choice for a secure and stress-free move. What people say. This paper is thick and durable, perfect for protecting fragile items during a move. The paper is generously sized, allowing for easy wrapping of various objects. It's great for filling empty spaces in boxes, preventing items from shifting. Number 4. Bryco Goods Newsprint Packing Paper Sheets. Moving can be stressful, but protecting your delicate items doesn't have to be. Our packing paper is designed to limit breakage when packing your most fragile possessions. This versatile paper isn't just for moving day. It's perfect for wrapping holiday decorations, ensuring they stay safe and sound during storage. When packing breakable items, use our paper to wrap and cushion each piece. This provides an extra layer of protection inside your boxes. Our paper is unbleached and features a neutral color, free of any printing. It maintains a clean, natural gray-white hue for your convenience. Beyond its use as shipping paper, it's also great for composting, lining bird cages, or even cleaning glass without leaving lint. You can trust the quality of our product, as it is proudly made in the USA. What we like? This pack provides a smaller quantity of 50 sheets, ideal for smaller tasks or specific needs. The unbleached, neutral color makes it clean and versatile for various uses beyond just moving. If you need paper for holiday decorations, as a bird cage liner, or for cleaning glass, this is a great, multi-purpose option. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and shape, making it versatile for packing various objects. The paper is unprinted and acid-free, ensuring it won't damage delicate surfaces or photographs. Number 3. Bryco Goods Newsprint Packing Paper. Ensure the utmost protection for your glassware and other valuables during relocation. This premium packing paper is designed for dish pack paper and other fragile items. Say goodbye to moving stress and hello to convenience. With these versatile newsprint paper sheets, packing becomes a breeze, ideal for kitchen supplies and more. Made in the USA, we provide superior quality packaging paper. It is a key component of your moving box supplies, ensuring your belongings experience top-notch care. Each sheet measures 27 by 17 inches. This light packing paper wraps your prized possessions with precision, making it an essential part of your moving packing material. Prevent shattered glassware and cracked valuables with these moving packing paper sheets. They make moving a breeze, ensuring a smooth and easy experience. What we like? This option offers a moderate quantity of 160 sheets, striking a balance between volume and manageability. It boasts trusted quality and is made in the USA, ensuring reliability. If you're looking for a solid, dependable option for packing your valuables without an overwhelming amount of paper, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and shape, making it versatile for wrapping various objects. The unprinted surface prevents ink transfer, keeping belongings clean. Number 2. Papersaurus Newsprint Packing Paper. Keep your delicate items safe during moves and shipments. These versatile sheets offer the protection your valuables deserve. Our packing paper is perfect for wrapping dishes, glasses, and other breakables. Use it as filler to prevent items from shifting during transit. These unprinted and unbleached sheets are 100% recyclable. Made from wood pulp, they are safe for your hands and the environment. These sheets aren't just for moving. They're also great for rustic gift wrapping or as absorbent liners for new pets. We are a family-run business proudly manufacturing and shipping our packing paper from Chicago, Illinois. What we like? With 240 sheets, this option provides a good amount of paper for your packing needs. It's highlighted as eco-friendly, unprinted, unbleached, and recyclable, making it a sustainable choice. If you prioritize environmentally conscious products and need versatile paper for moving, shipping, or even rustic gift wrapping, this is the one to consider. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and shape, making it versatile for wrapping various objects. The large sheets cover a good area, reducing the need for multiple pieces. Number 1. Newsprint Packing Paper, 320 sheets. Moving fragile items like dishes and glassware can be stressful. Our thick, unprinted sheets provide the durable protection you need to keep them safe during your move. These sheets are perfect for more than just moving. Use them as shipping paper or wrapping paper to cushion items, fill voids, and prevent scratches during transport. Make a sustainable choice for your packaging needs. Our moving paper is made from recycled materials, is ink-free, and biodegradable, making it an eco-friendly option. Unleash your creativity. Beyond moving and packing, these versatile sheets are perfect for art projects, DIY crafts, and school activities like papier-mâché. Simplify your packing and wrapping with 320 pre-cut, large sheets. Their convenient size makes it easy to protect and ship your items efficiently. What we like? This pack comes with a substantial 320 sheets of large, unprinted paper, perfect for efficient packing. Its unprinted nature makes it clean and safe for all your items. If you're not only moving but also enjoy DIY crafts, papier-mâché, or school projects, this versatile paper offers great value and utility. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and shape, making it versatile for wrapping various objects. The unprinted surface prevents ink transfer, keeping belongings clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.